Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Auji Zulkifli from group 12. This is for the exercise 1, the comparative evaluation of ultrasound carotid artery image and enhancement technique. So for the introduction, background of the study, an ultrasound machine is a non-invasive diagnosis tool. It captures the human inner body picture using the high frequency sound wave. In contrast to others imaging modalities, the sound wave transmitted by the ultrasound machine probe is not harmful to the human body. The sound wave produced by an ultrasound machine has no adverse impact on human. The ultrasound machine will generate a high frequency sound wave and transfer it to the probe. So for the sound wave will travel through the human body and return to the probe. Different kinds of tissue in the human body, however, will cause the wave to reflect in different ways. After receiving a reflect signal, the probe will transmit them to the post-processing system to build picture of the human interior body. The grayscale image created is based on the difference of the reflect sound wave. The scope of this exercise comparative evaluation of ultrasound carotid artery image enhancement technique is conduct a study on image enhancement focused on the ultrasound carotid image. The information on image enhancement is described in the following section. The software that your firm provide for the task is MATLAB 2013B. So the objective for the exercise is to acquire carotid artery image by using an ultrasound machine, to analyze and evaluate the image enhancement technique by using MATLAB, to demonstrate leadership skill and team working within the limit time constraint.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi. My name is Naparina binti Taufik, and my metric number is DE190046. So I'm from group 12. I'm gonna explain about the lab medical exercise 1. And this is the coding for the image enhancement for contrast adjustment image. This is the coding. This is actually we need to put the title same as the name same as our image, which is our image. We need to download from the author and given by our lecturer. Okay, so this is the command for read the graphic file. Next, we need to display image output, and this is for the background. Actually, this is from the original image. It will filter until get the contrast adjustment image. So I'm gonna run the code. Okay, so this is for the original image, and this is background image enhancement, and this is contrast adjustment image where we need. Okay, so I'm gonna proceed for the noise reduction image, and this is the code. And same method as the previous task, which is name the file.jpg. Okay, and this is gonna show the original image for the background. Also, we'll filter the image, and we'll get the enhanced image, contrast adjustment, and also will show us the noise reduction using Gaussian filter. Okay, so I'm gonna run the code again. Actually, this is we need to add another code for the noise reduction. Okay, so from the original image, it will become and will show us the noise reduction image. But through this background image, enhance and contrast adjustment. Okay, next I'm gonna proceed for the sharpening image. Same method with the previous task. Okay, name the file, referring to the given file, and then it's gonna show the background and this 15 to create this shape structuring element, And the background image is to display the image. The enhanced image to display image to output. Contrast adjustment. Actually it been using the same code, but we need to add another code, which is the image sharpening. So I'm gonna run the code. Okay. So it from the original image, it will display the sharpening image. And first it will become through this same step: contrast, noise, and sharpening. Okay, I think that's all from us. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurlana Erni binti Ahmad Khairan, DEY 90073. Now, I will explain the comparison of image quality can be made through visual inspection of determination of specific parameter, MSE, SNR, and etc. So, data image we can see for the original image, noise reduction image, MSE image. So we have to run this coding that we apply this assignment for the image, and then the noise to the image, calculate mean square error, and then calculate PSNR, listening to noise ratio. So run this coding. Okay, we can see based on this image, the compare the MSE and PSNR of a carotid artery. You may use noise reduction as an image enhancement technique. This method was used to access image of the carotid arteries, and the MSE and PSNR measurement of image quality were used. From this data, we can see that value of MSE original image is 0.55 and the PSNR is 0.55. And my the value for noise reduction image on MSE 0.55, while the value of a PSNR 0.77. That's for the output image with MSE. The value of MSE is quite high with is 0.50.78. And then the PSNR is 50.77. The best technique was choose based on the high value of PSNR and lowest value of the MSE. Noise reduction strategy has the high PSNR and the lower MSE. Consequently, the carotid artery image enhancement utilizing those techniques produce good result. The optimal condition for a medical image is less value in MSE while high PSNR, as it indicates fewer noise and incurrency. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Wan Muhammad Azam bin Un Harun, DE 190031, and I would like to present about the discussion on the picture of the ultrasonography carotid artery approach for reducing image noise, increasing contrast, and sharpening the image were applied. The degree of enhancement that may be varied in terms of sharpen enhancement and the different in MATLAB coding are primary distinction between contrast enhancement and sharpen enhancement. Image quality may be evaluated either by visual examination or by calculating specific features like PSNR and MSE. Both of these methods are variable option. The first option, the first image of the carotid artery which was obtained with the help of the MATLAB software. The image enhancement technique is a crucial step in the process of improving ultrasound picture of the carotid artery since it is used in the case of the texture analysis, evaluation of image quality, and visual review by specialists. This study examine the validation outcome of image noise reduction, contrast enhancement, and sharpening applied to ultrasound image of the bifurcation of the carotid artery. Image quality may be measured in the variety of ways, including the reducing noise, boosting contrast, and sharpening the image. It make use of a wide variety of methods for improving image. PSNR and MSE are the metrics that are used to measure the quality. There is some room for debate on the distinction between quality measurement and the various approach. Okay, next, for image noise reduction, the noise reduction is the procedure that reduces noise from an image. This process results in an image that is significantly smoother on every edge, which ultimately produces a better image. MATLAB can be used to get rid of the Gaussian noise that causing the image distort vision, so you can see clearly again. Because image denoise is such an effective approach in the medical business, the practice of using it has become the norm for experts working in the medical field. Okay, next, for the image contrast, the use of the contrast enhancement technique is ubiquitous, notably in the area of medical imaging. They are used to increase the visual clarity of low contrast image. This is the case because contrast enhancement technique may be improve the appearance of shadow and highlight in an image. Down order to properly analyze a medical image, one of the required steps is to zero in on the most important part or the part that are unclear. In order to produce contrast between the many areas and structure that make up a image, the majority of contrast enhancement technique focus on locating an appropriate transformation function that establish a relationship between the original gray level and the intensity that is being shown. In order for the image of the carotid artery to be of higher quality and be more clearly defined. Next, for the image sharpening, in the field of image processing, sharpening is a pre-processing method that play a significant part in the process of feature extraction. The purpose of the image sharpening filter is enhance image quality by reducing noise and or enhancing edge. The last step in the process is called sharpen enhancement. Okay, next, for the conclusion, the utilization of ultrasound allow for the investigation of the interior architecture of the human body as a whole. In this section, the methods are used to utilize for carrying out image work by means of MATLAB programming are discussed. Speckle noise is the multiplicative claimer that interfere with the visual analysis of ultrasonic image. This interference occurs when the imaging technique is being reviewed. Hence, the image is influenced by speckle noise. Because the elimination of speckle noise, the ultrasound image has been improved in terms of overall quality. In this study, we analyzed a variety of published papers that detail the many approaches that may be taken to reduce the amount of speckle noise in the ultrasound picture. The application of the transformational studies is another sort of countermeasure. In addition, an image is two-dimensional has been obtained for the purpose of analysis, and it has been recommended that the potential application of the medical ultrasound imaging technique is the future to be expanded to encompass image in 3 dimensions. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.